Symptoms of a bad radiator fan. Ensuring your car's engine stays at the right temperature is crucial, and the radiator fan plays a key role in achieving this. If the radiator fan malfunctions, it can lead to overheating and potential damage to the engine. It's important to be able to identify common signs of a faulty radiator fan for early diagnosis and necessary repairs. So, let's learn the common symptoms of a bad radiator fan. Engine overheating. Engine overheating is one of the most obvious symptoms of a failed radiator fan. It's a clear sign that the radiator fan is malfunctioning if your engine temperature gauge frequently climbs into the red zone or if steam is flowing from the hood. This could be brought on by a broken fan blade, a bad fan relay, or a broken fan motor. Constant high engine temperature. A continually high engine temperature, even while driving normally, is another sign to look out for. If your engine temperature continues to be high, especially while it is idle or you are in heavy traffic, it may be because the radiator fan is not cooling the engine properly. If this is not fixed right away, engine damage may result. Noisy fan operation. Unusual noises might be produced by a malfunctioning radiator fan. The engine compartment may make obnoxious grinding, scraping, or screeching noises. These noises may be caused by worn bearings or other broken parts, as well as potential problems with the fan motor or fan blades. Non-functioning fan. The radiator fan may completely stop functioning in particular circumstances. Visually viewing the engine compartment when the engine is running and at operating temperature can quickly reveal this problem. If the fan is not spinning, there is a problem that has to be fixed. Coolant leaks or overflows. A damaged radiator fan may result in coolant leaks or overflows. The pressure inside the cooling system might grow as a result of an excessive rise in engine temperature, which can cause coolant leaks from hoses, connectors, or even the radiator itself. A broken radiator fan may be the cause of coolant dripping or pooling under your car, or if the coolant reservoir often overflows. Keep in mind that depending on the particular car's make and model, these symptoms may differ. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's important to have your car inspected by a skilled mechanic or technician to identify the exact cause of the radiator fan problem and recommend necessary repairs. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.